Backpacking travel insurance and what you need to know. Backpacking travel insurance and what you need to know summarizes what you need to know about backpacking insurance. In addition, you will also learn more about the best insurance policies for your trip. What is backpacking travel insurance? Backpacking travel insurance is a type of insurance that is designed to protect backpackers who are traveling for an extended period of time, typically more than a few weeks, and frequently to multiple destinations. It usually covers a variety of risks that backpackers may face while traveling, such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations or interruptions, lost or stolen luggage, and personal liability. This type of insurance is specifically designed for backpackers, who frequently engage in activities such as hiking, trekking, and adventure sports while traveling on a budget. As a result, backpacking travel insurance policies frequently include adventure activity coverage and may have lower premiums than other types of travel insurance. When selecting a backpacking travel insurance policy, it is critical to carefully read the policy wording to ensure that it covers the specific risks you may face on your trip. Medical expenses. Emergency medical evacuation, trip cancellation and interruption, and personal liability may all be covered. It is also important to consider the length of your trip and the countries you will visit, as some policies may have coverage limitations based on these factors. Furthermore, if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, you should check to see if the policy covers them or if you must pay an additional fee for coverage. What does backpacking travel insurance cover? Backpacking travel insurance usually covers a variety of risks that backpackers may face while traveling, such as medical emergencies. Include coverage for medical expenses, hospitalization, emergency medical evacuation, and, if necessary, repatriation of remains. It is critical to determine whether pre-existing medical conditions are covered. Trip cancellation and interruption. This covers the cost of your trip being canceled or interrupted due to unforeseen events such as illness, injury, or the death of a family member. It may also cover costs incurred as a result of travel delays or missed connections. Baggage loss or theft. This covers the loss, theft, or damage to your luggage and personal belongings while traveling. Many backpacking travel insurance policies cover a variety of adventure sports and activities, including hiking, trekking, bungee jumping, and skiing. Personal liability insurance protects you against any damage or injury you cause to other people or their property while traveling. It is critical to carefully review the policy's terms and conditions to ensure that it covers the specific risks that you may face on your trip, as coverage varies depending on the provider and policy. Some policies may also have coverage exclusions or limitations, so read the fine print and ask questions if anything is unclear. Advantages of backpacking travel insurance. Financial security. Backpacking travel insurance protects you financially in the event of an unexpected emergency, such as a medical emergency, trip cancellation, or lost or stolen luggage. It can help pay for medical treatment, emergency medical evacuation, and other expenses incurred while traveling. Peace of mind. Knowing that you are covered by backpacking travel insurance can provide you with peace of mind while traveling, allowing you to focus on enjoying your trip rather than worrying about the financial consequences of unforeseen events. Backpacking travel insurance is specifically designed for backpackers and covers the unique risks that they may face while traveling, such as adventure sports and activities. This customized coverage can provide more peace of mind and protection than standard travel insurance policies. Emergency assistance. Many backpacking travel insurance policies offer 24-hour emergency assistance, which can be invaluable in an emergency. Access to medical professionals, emergency medical evacuation, and assistance with travel arrangements are examples of these services. Premiums are often lower for backpacking travel insurance policies than for other types of travel insurance, making them a cost-effective way to protect yourself while traveling. Disadvantages of backpacking travel insurance. Backpacking travel insurance policies may have coverage limitations, particularly when it comes to pre-existing medical conditions, hazardous activities, and travel to specific countries or regions. It is critical to carefully read the policy wording to ensure that you are adequately covered for the risks associated with your trip. Higher deductibles. Deductibles for backpacking travel insurance policies may be higher than for other types of insurance policies. This means you may have to pay more out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Backpacking travel insurance policies may include exclusions and limitations on coverage, such as limits on the amount of coverage provided for certain types of expenses or activities. It is critical to carefully read the policy wording to understand these limitations. Additional fees. Certain types of coverage, such as coverage for adventure sports or pre-existing medical conditions, may be required by some backpacking travel insurance policies. These extra costs can quickly add up. Claim procedure. The claims procedure for backpacking travel insurance can be complicated, especially if you need to make a claim while abroad. Before purchasing a policy, it is critical to understand the process and requirements for filing a claim. Conclusion. Overall, while backpacking travel insurance can provide valuable protection for backpackers, it is critical to read the policy wording carefully and understand any limitations or exclusions before purchasing a policy.